Okay, this is the Timex T128. This clock is loaded with features. Dual alarms for 2 separate wake times, 24-hour set and forget alarm with auto repeat and auto shut off, USB charging for all your mobile devices, smartphones and MP3 players, loud and soft alarm setting, nap function, large LED time display, 4-level nightlight, which I really like. I'm going to show you right now. This is awesome. Look at this. This clock is becoming very popular with hotels and motels, especially for the USB charging port. This cord is not included, but I like being able to plug in all my devices off of my alarm clock. That's always a plus. And I really like the nightlight feature.